Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This reduces interruptions. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, then put the car stereo into pairing mode. Do this while the car is parked. Once done, open your navigation app and allow location and Bluetooth permissions. Make sure background access is enabled so guidance continues when the screen locks. You also want at least 30% battery or a charger connected. Low power modes can stop pairing or background GPS. Now move to the head unit to accept the connection. You tap the car name on your phone and verify the PIN shown on both screens. Confirm it to establish a secure link. Next, make sure you allow media audio, phone calls, and any required app permissions. This routes turn directions to the car speakers. Once paired, set your preferred navigation app as the default navigation source in phone or car settings, because mismatched defaults can silence directions. Finally, run a quick 2-minute route to check that voice prompts and map movement appear on both displays. You finish by mounting the phone in a stable holder and enabling Do Not Disturb to keep notifications silent while driving. Then start a full test route. Listen for voice prompts, verify lane guidance, and confirm reroute behavior when you deviate. Make sure navigation volume is up on both phone and car, and that the app remains active in the background. If something fails, no audio or no map sync, restart the phone and head unit. Toggle the Bluetooth profiles and repair. That usually clears lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.